video is to review multiplying and dividing rational expressions. So, similar to simplifying rational expressions, you have to factor each part before you can simplify this. Okay, if you'd like a review of factoring, please see the review of factoring video. So, to factor the numerator of your first fraction, it is 3x minus 4 times x plus 2, and the denominator is 2x plus 7 times 3x minus 4. The numerator of your second fraction is x plus 2 times 2x plus 7, and the denominator is 5x plus 1 times x plus 2. Now, this really isn't a multiplication problem at all. You don't really have to think of it that way. You can think about it as just one big fraction, and you're trying to cancel out your like fractions, or your like factors, from the numerator and the denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight some things that are alike that you're canceling out. So you notice you have two factors of x plus 2 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. But you can only cancel out 1 from the numerator and 1 from the denominator. And it doesn't really matter which one it is. So this one, I'm going to cancel with this one. And you have factors of 2x plus 7. That's going to cancel with this one, 2x plus 7. And then you have another one. That's 3x minus 4. That's going to cancel with this 3x minus 4. So your fully simplified version of this is x plus 2 over 5x plus 1. And that would be your final answer. Dividing is exactly the same. And you'll notice this problem is almost the exact same. The only thing that you have to remember to do is that your first fraction stays the same, so 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 over 6x squared plus 13x minus 28. But that when you're dividing by another fraction is that you're actually multiplying by the reciprocal. So we're multiplying by 2x squared plus 11x plus 14. Over 35 plus 11x plus 2. And then you would want to factor each of the four parts from here, and again cancel your like factors. So you'll notice that this works out to be the same problem that we did before. You're going to get the same exact factors, and it is going to cancel out the same exact way. The key here is just to remember that you're multiplying by the reciprocal and to flip the second fraction. I do want to talk about one more case here where you're dividing where it looks similar to a complex fraction. So again, you just want to factor each of the four parts. So this is going to factor to be x plus 2, x plus 1 over x plus 1 times x plus 6 and x plus 5, x minus 3, and x plus 5 times x plus 6. Okay, but this is your complex fraction. So this is like your division sign. So again, we're flipping this whole thing. So it's really x plus 2 times x plus 1 over x plus 1 times x plus 6 times, okay, this bottom part now becomes in the numerator, the x plus 5 times x plus 6, and then the x plus 5, x minus 3 becomes in the denominator. And now here's where you're canceling out your like factors. So you have like factors here of x plus 5 Then you have like factors of x plus 6 that cancel, and then like factors of x plus 1. So then we are left with a final answer of x plus 2 over x minus 3. If you have more questions about multiplying and dividing rational expressions, please see your math teacher.